Okay, guys, I'm going to take you step by step to show you how to create a Google Drive folder, which is your homework for the weekend. So here we go. All right. Um, so first things first, we're going to go to our Blackboard. So make sure that you log into myutrgv.edu, and then under applications, you're going to click on Blackboard. So you want to go to the assignment. You want to have the assignment up so that you can easily just share the link once you have the folder created. We'll go ahead and make my screen a little bit bigger for you guys. We're gonna go to my courses and we're gonna go to the course that you are signed in to. Example, you might be in English 130248, or maybe you're in the inquiry course. Whichever one you are, go to your course. I'm gonna use English 130238 as an example. You're gonna want to go find the assignment. For my English 1302 courses, it's going to be under weekly calendar and learning series. For my inquiry course, you're going to find that homework assignment under publishing and practice. Either one. I'm going to go over here and we're going to go to week 2 because the homework is going to be under the end of the week that we are currently in. We're going to find that homework assignment. Let me make my book like y'all. So we're going to look for the homework. You might have to scroll down, or if you're in my regular 1302 courses, it might be on the side menu. We're going to find the homework to submit the link to our Google Drive folder, right? Make sure that you follow the instructions to create one to do this. So I'm going to go find the instructions for that one. So how do you create a Google Drive folder? You want to make sure you have a Gmail account. So once you have that, we're going to go to Google Drive. You can simply search in Google for Google Drive or go to drive.google.com and you want to sign in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account. All right. Now my Google Drive is full of stuff. If you've been using yours regularly, it's probably also full of stuff. If not, it might be empty. So what are we going to do next? The next thing you're going to do when you're here is you're going to go to the left-hand menu on Drive where it says New, right here where it says New. We're going to click on that, and we're going to click and create a new folder. And I want you to title this folder your name, your first name and your last name. You can also put the course that you're in. For example, you might put, like to me, I'm going to go Bonnie. There's my first name and my last name and the course that I'm in, English 1302 38 or 50. Or if you're in the inquiry class, you might put inquiry. So make sure that you put the course that you're in. And then you're going to hit create. So I'm going to put English 1302 38 and create. And it's going to make that folder for me. So there it is. You'll see it on your Google Drive folder. You can go into it by double clicking it. This is where we're going to start to upload things. I'll show you how to do that over the course of the coming week or weeks. So how do you share this folder? We have the folder. Now I want to share it. I'm going to go back to the main folder where you want to see the folder. It should look like this, a little folder with my name on there. And what we're going to do is we're going to right click on it. And then we're going to look for the share option. See that where it says share? It's going to say share again. Click on the share again. Don't copy link. Go to share one more time. It's going to open up this little pop-up menu or window. It's going to have some options for how to share it. I'm going to do that one more time just in case something messed up there. I'm going to go share, share. There we go. And so this is what's going to pop up. So it's going to ask me, how do I want to share it? Super important. Under general access, usually it says restricted. We want to go ahead and change that from restricted to anyone with the link. And we want to change, instead of viewer, can comment or as commenter, right? Because I want to be able to go in there and leave comments and feedback, but I don't want to be able to change anything. Do not give me editing access, only commenter access. And then we're going to copy the link now that we've changed those settings, and we're done. With that link copied, I can now go back to Blackboard, go to the homework assignment where it says to submit the link. And we're going to go ahead and come down here under create submission. We're going to paste the link in. That's it. If you're on a Mac, sometimes Macs don't and Blackboard don't get along really well. So you want to paste the link here under create submission, but you're also going to want to come down here under the comments and just give me a backup copy of that link just in case for whatever reason Blackboard decides not to submit it under the create submission, which it will do that sometimes for Macs, just a heads up. And when you're done, you're going to hit that submit button. And it'll save it. Mine won't let me because I'm a professor, so I can't show you what that final window looks like. But once you hit submit, it'll show you what you submitted. You can verify, double check what you submitted, and you're good to go. So that, guys, is how you create and share your Google Drive folder for the homework this weekend. All right, can't wait to see it, guys.